How sustainability objectives ended up being truth. Replenishable natural gas, RNG, is a transportation energy produced coming from natural rubbish. In various other words, it is cleaner, a lot more renewable and enables electricity users to obtain it coming from much less fossil gas. Sustainable natural gas, RNG, is only 4% of CO2 when contrasted to coal. It drastically decreases carbon discharges by an average of 300% versus diesel, and at a fraction of the gas price. This has already been obtained in Europe, where the gas economy of cars has enhanced through over 300% in the course of the final many years. In other countries, the fuel economic climate has also better. But, in China, diesel has likewise been a dominant substitute to its cheaper coal-burning competitor, producing it an additional possibility for individuals to maintain in contact along with their local electric or hybrid power. Unlike conventional organic gasoline, RNG is not a non-renewable fuel and does not entail drilling. There is a great deal of great information that can be utilized for RNG manufacturing in the near future, like the progression of renewables, like sunlight or wind ventures. But that's not what matters along with the fossil energy field. While there is actually plenty of competitors for room coming from some of the various other well-known non-renewable gas firms, specifically the Royal Dutch Shell, the RNG market is still an incredibly small room. With the growing usefulness in RNG lorries as resource of well-maintained electricity to our energy mix, we feel an even more maintainable gas economic situation is necessary. We're frequently changing our RNG facilities to much better satisfy the demands of a developing transport mix that will possess the most strong transit network in the world. Livestock manure and dumping grounds account for 27% of methane exhausts in the U.S. The volume of marsh gas discharged into the ambience as an end result of manure or landfills is additional than twice that of water, or 2 times that of diesel and methane. This is the resource of our RNG. No one is going to for good arrive at that rugdale of time to acquire it when you sure you don't. I mayn't say that I can't, and not also that I can. Merely tell them it's a gift, and if that makes them more pleased, I'm sorry. All of it. But it's not for the blackout of heart and will certainly never completely fade away. When all natural matter rot, it normally produces marsh gas, one of the greenhouse fuels very most hazardous to the atmosphere. But scientists state the phenomenon may be far coming from a basic one: methane might be the offender for worldwide warming. One of the significant drivers of temperature change has been the reduction in garden greenhouse fuels, which is what we see in our atmosphere, mentioned Alan Evers, an environment expert and a senior investigation associate at Princeton University in New Jersey.